Making money on MetaTrader 5 involves trading financial instruments like forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Here's how to get started and earn profits. Understand the platform. MT5 is an advanced trading platform used by brokers worldwide. It offers tools for technical analysis, automated trading through expert advisors, and real-time market access. Choose a reliable broker. Select a regulated broker offering MT5. Ensure low fees, competitive spreads, and access to the assets you want to trade. Develop a trading strategy. Adopt a trading method that fits your risk tolerance. Scalping, short-term trades for quick profits. Day trading, open and close positions within a day. Swing trading, hold trades for days or weeks. Algorithmic trading, use automated bots for 24/7 trading. Use risk management, set stop loss and take profit orders to control losses and lock in gains. Risk no more than 1 or 2% of your capital per trade. Earn passive income. Use copy trading to follow successful traders. Develop and sell custom EAs for others to use. Practice on a demo account. Test strategies risk-free before investing real money.